Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be exciting because I'm sharing how I turned a $500 account into $5,000 trading Forex. Now, before we dive in, I want to be completely transparent. This took time, dedication, and a solid strategy. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a realistic approach you can learn from. Forex trading involves significant risk, and you could lose more than your initial investment. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please do your own research and only trade with money you can afford to lose. The strategy I used focuses on price action trading combined with sound risk management. I primarily trade the euro to US dollar pair on the 1-hour time frame. I look for specific candlestick patterns, like engulfing candles and pin bars, that signal potential reversals at key support and resistance levels. I'll show you some examples in a moment. Here's a trade I took last week. Notice how the price bounced off this strong support level, forming a bullish engulfing candle. I entered a long position with a stop loss just below the support and a take profit at the next resistance level. This trade resulted in a 10% gain on my account. Let's look at another example. Now, risk management is crucial. I never risk more than 1% of my account on a single trade. This protects me from wiping out my account if a trade goes against me. It's also important to have a clear trading plan and stick to it. Don't let emotions dictate your trades. Turning $500 into $5,000 didn't happen overnight. It took months of consistent trading, learning from my mistakes, and constantly refining my strategy. There were losing trades along the way, but by managing my risk and staying disciplined, I was able to recover and continue growing my account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos.